Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Susan Martini, and I have testified before, and I was not planning to testify tonight, but I'll keep it brief. As I see it, this resolution is to recognize a fetus as a human life upon the existence of a heartbeat. That's what we're talking about. We're not talking about abortion. We're not talking about killing children. We're just recognizing that the human life starts when you hear a heartbeat. And this is something that is a belief. It's a religious belief that some have, and some people don't believe it. It's a belief. I applaud those that do believe it, but I personally don't believe it. So to put that resolution as, this is the word of God, or this is the absolute truth, you cannot say. It is a belief. And I oppose this resolution, and I'm very upset to hear so many people make it that it's an abortion bill and to threaten their legislators who voted for the RPA last year. I think that's horrible. And that's all I have to say. Thank you.
I think we all accepted that when we got elected, that people would not like what we do, but... Can you make a comment, John? Sure, yeah.
Thank you for that, because I pride myself on staying relevant as an attorney. And the way I look at the constitutional law that we codified is that it is the mother's right to make that decision, the stuff that we're talking about. I may have a view, but it's the mother whose view matters.
Thank you. And
Thank
I just want to add that there is a separation of church and state, and I don't see that happening here. Thank you.